Hi and welcome. For those who don't know me, my name is Annie Tran and I am a Zyia Active Independent Representative. And today I wanted to share with you the hot pink light and tight headband. And for tutorial purposes, I purposefully chose hot pink since I do have darker hair. We do sell this in other colors, in white and black. And since white tends to get dirty quickly, I decided to go ahead and choose hot pink. And this one has or actually they all do, they have our Zyia logo here in the front. And this can also be modified to where you could wear it as a thin headband or a thicker headband. Now, we all have different hair textures, so you may be concerned that with your particular hair texture, it may not stay on. What is great about this, it has a matte finish to it, so that should be able to help it stay in place in your hair. Now, if you are concerned that it might slip or fall off, I will share with you some tips and tricks that hopefully will help keep it on your hair. I do have Asian hair, but my hair texture is coarse. So for a person like me, it's more likely to stay on. However, if you have that really slick, straight, sleek hair, you may want to dirty it up some so that it'll be able to stay on. So what that means is that you could add some dry shampoo, you could spray it into your hair, even onto the headband itself, or you could also use some kind of texturizing hairspray that you could apply to your hair and headband beforehand. Also, what you can do is try to do a little bit of back combing to your hair, just so you could add a little bit more texture, especially in the root area, and that could help solve your problems. Okay, adding hair texture. Okay, my hair is coarse, so with coarse hair, it's more likely to stay in there. But if you don't have coarse hair like mine, what I could suggest is you take a comb and then you just back comb it up at the root. And when you back comb, it's great to start like mid shaft and then push the comb back. So I would particularly do this in just the top area here. And as you can see, it is getting a little bit frizzy. I did just blow dry my hair today, so it's doesn't have that much oil in it. But you back comb that like this way, and then you could do it, and then you could do it this way as well. And then if you want to get rid of those pieces of hair sticking out, you can slightly, don't comb it all out, but just comb a little bit about just so you could get that out of the way. Now, if you want to apply a textured hairspray, you could do that as well. And when you apply hairspray, you kind of just hold it far from the root. You don't want to spray too close because then you'll get it clumpy, and you don't want clumpy hairspray in your hair. So you just spray up a few inches away, just around the crown of your head, and then you can also spray the interior of your headband just so that you can get some of that in there as well. Okay, now you can put it on your head. So just put it on like so. And if you want to just wear it for like everyday wear, you can just put it on like that. Just make sure that you're adjusting the front part here. Okay. And now if you want to pull out hair from the front like I do, all you got to do is just take a few pieces here in the front from both sides, and you could bring it down this way and just fix it like so. My hair is kind of frizzy. And you can wear it like that. Okay, and then you could also wear it where if you had already pulled the hair up front, I just took out a little bit more, you can actually just put it into a ponytail, and those hairs that you pulled out in the front, you can pull it to the back, and it looks like that when you pull it to the back. So it's covering part of it. And it would look like this, from here to there, and here to there. And then you would just go ahead and do your ponytail like so. And when doing ponytails, as you can see, like I got a lump there. So it's fine if you have that, and you can just pull your hair out, kind of pull it up like so until it's symmetrical back there. Symmetrical, and you don't see like crazy bumps. And sometimes I kind of pull it here on the side as well. And you can just wear it like this, making sure you adjust the headband like so. So that is another way you could wear it. Then if you would like to wear it thicker, you can do that as well, just by removing this. And this opens to where it's full, just like that. So again, just put it around your neck. Then make sure that it's not backwards, and you will know if it's backwards because you won't see the logo, but I see the logo. And you would just pull it up like so onto your head if you want to sport the thicker headband. And this one just keeps all of your hair back, which is great. And you just wear it like that. And then if you wanted, you can also do a high ponytail with this. And you could do a high pony with it thin or thick. And you just pull your hair all the way up here. And it does not have to be a perfect ponytail. Do it like this. And then you have it high. And then if you wanted the skinny strap, all you would have to do is just not open this up all the way, and you can wear it as a skinny strap as well. Now, with it being a skinny strap, if you wanted, you can twist the front of it to give it like a little cute, different look, and you can do that, and it's so super easy. So I'll share that with you ladies. My hair is kind of like, oh lordy lord. Let me show you how you could do that with this down. You could do it with it up, but for tutorial, the sake of this tutorial, I'll show you how you could do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make this skinny again. It does have creases on it to help you find how to make it the skinny band, okay? So I'm going to do it like that. And so you put it on your head just like so. And then you just take one side and you just twist it over. Just like that. And then you would just adjust underneath your hair. Put that in the center and just make sure that it's nice and flat, just the way that you like it. There you go. So this is the light and tight headband, and like I said, you could wear it different ways. I have not yet worked out in this. However, I could tell just by the way that it's sitting on my head that it would actually stay. And it's pretty tight. It's not like extremely tight, but it's tight to the point where I feel like it's pretty stable for you to work out in or just to wear on an everyday basis. So thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will be able to help you when you wear your headband.